Good morning, students. Welcome to online learning class. Today we are going to start new lesson 3.1, our important metro policies. Before start lesson, let me tell you about metro policies. A metropolis is a large city or conurbation which is a significant economic, political, and cultural center for a country or region and an important hub for regional or international connections, commerce, and communications. The term is ancient Greek and means the mother city of a colony, that is, the city which sent out settlers. This was later generalized to a city regarded as a center of a specified activity or any large important city in a nation. Now let's start lesson our important metropolises. Metropolis is a Greek word which means mother city or the main city of a country. In India, we have many cities. Some of these are very big. They are called metropolises. Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and Delhi are the most important metropolises of India. See, children, a big city belonging to a larger urban agglomeration, but which is not the core of that agglomeration, is not generally considered a metropolis, but a part of it. The plural of the word is metropolises. For urban centers outside metropolitan areas that generate a similar attraction on a smaller scale for their region. The concept of the region polis was introduced by urban and regional planning researchers in Germany. The characteristics of the metropolitan of several aspects such as the amount of population, economic activities, mobility activities of the population and the structure of the region. The magnitude of population becomes a major consideration in determining the aspects of metropolitan. Metropolises play their role in determining the urban system. In India, the urban system primarily is rotated around four principal metros area of Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and Chennai. In the first quarter of the 20th century, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Chennai were the premier urban centers. Their commercial supremacy, along with railway transport, had enough to support their status. These largest urban centers of the country had massive Roman style building used as administrative institutions reflecting alien culture, but the indigenous residential areas were haphazardly crowded. It was during the post-independence period that million cities appeared. Since 1951, considerable urban growth has been witnessed around the million cities around Delhi. The metropolitan area came into existence with the amalgamation of the standard urban areas of Ghaziabad, Faridabad, and Gurgaon. But the phenomenon of this sort took place in the case of only a few of million cities. The census recognized the term metropolitan area for place with a population of a million or more. India had 20 cities with a population of more than 1.5 million or more in 1991, whereas metropolises of 1 or more million people are 23 in number. In 2001, Greater Mumbai and Delhi were having a little difference in their population, and very likely in near future Delhi, being the national capital, may surpass Mumbai. Special patterns of metropolitan areas have considerable significance in their growth, and they deserve attention for urban geographers. The four principal metropolises account for the absence of million cities in a number of states. Delhi has its shadow over Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and Haryana. Kolkata has influenced the states of Bihar and Odisha. Kerala comes under the shadow of Chennai. Some 8 metropolises are located on the banks of the river for the reason of supply of water for industrial establishments and also for providing water for irrigation to their surrounding areas. Their riverside location has been also important strategically, and Delhi, Kolkata, Kanpur, and Varanasi have been important during medieval and modern era turmoils in history. Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, and Surat have been significant in their location on sea coast, having their trade relations with the countries of the Western Hemisphere and also with China and Southeast Asian islands from very ancient times. Most of the metropolitan areas are best equipped with railroad transportation. The railways were aligned to connect this even before their existence. Metropolises play their role in determining the urban system. In India, the urban system primarily is rotated around four principal metro areas of Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and China. That's all for today. Thank you, students.